Hello. It is 1:39 a.m. I am leaving in about 15 minutes. I kind of slept until 3 yesterday, like 3 p.m. So I have yet to go to bed for tonight. Yeah, I messed up my sleep schedule. It happens. So I am going to head to the bus station in about 15 minutes, like I said. I am already so tired that I can't just comprehend anything, so today's gonna be a really fun day. But I am heading to Athens, Greece for literally 36 hours. It is gonna be my first time traveling completely by myself. I am not meeting anybody there. No one is going with me to the airport. So yeah, 110% by myself. I might get kidnapped. I might get robbed. We're gonna go. I'm gonna take you along with me. Right now, I'm going to finish up a video. I am 2 months behind in editing. I'm gonna try and get caught up. So that's what I'm doing right now before I head out. And I will catch in with you later. So I just checked into my hostel. So far it looks like I'm the only one in my room. Kind of hope it stays that way. I'm only here for one night, so that'd be cool. I am starving, so I'm gonna go try and find some gyros or gyros for lunch, and then I'm gonna try and find a hop on hop off bus tour, because I feel like that'd just be easier for me to get around and see all the hot spots. We're gonna do that. Let's go. I know I said I was gonna get a gyro, and you're seeing pizza right now. That is because my social anxiety kicked in at its highest. So what happened was I walked into a restaurant. They gave me their menu to look at what I wanted, and I saw they didn't have gyros. So instead of saying, "Hey, I don't see what I want here. I'm not interested," I didn't want to hurt their feelings, and I stayed and just ordered pizza from their menu. So don't worry, I had so many, gyros while I was there. So I did get my fulfillment, but just in that clip is why you see pizza and not a gyro. I guess I go on the wrong bus route because I'm currently at a cruise ship terminal, so that's fun. I think another bus comes in 15 minutes for me to get back, and then I'm going to probably get dinner and call it a night because I'm exhausted and I plan on exploring all day tomorrow. So I'll update you if I can find another bus route. Update, she's on a bus. Hopefully we won't get lost going back. Although I wouldn't have minded going on a cruise. Fun fact, the Costa Concordia that sunk in Italy, that's the same company. avocado for dinner because I can. I got mint and Nutella. I love being an adult. There are some weird noises happening, so that's cool. So I just checked with reception, and one other person is definitely supposed to be in my room tonight. Don't know when they're coming. Of course, I had to go to the Hard Rock and get me and my aunt pins. So I got 2 of the same ones for both of us because I only liked one. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get ready for bed because I'm exhausted. So hopefully I don't die. Okay, bye. Good morning. It's the next morning. I'm at Starbucks. Ooh, I'm at Starbucks getting breakfast. You know, just a turkey sandwich. Got a berry hibiscus refresher. Spell my name right. England doesn't have refreshers and it makes me sad, so I always snatch up the opportunity to get one when I can. But next I'm gonna head to the Pantheon. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm an idiot. Yeah, it's just gonna be a day of exploring, so come along with me. Alright, so I'm heading up to the Acropolis now. I got in for free because I'm a student in the UK at the moment. So that saved me 20 euros, so I'm really pumped. Alright, it's all uphill, so I'm out of breath. It's my tongue red. I drank a slushie, so that's why. So I'm heading back down now. It's gonna be a little hike. Getting up here was awful, but then a grandma with a cane passed me, so I knew I had to keep pushing through. But it was amazing. It was gorgeous. Now I'm gonna hop back on the bus and see what's next. All right, so the bus should be here in about 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna go to the, I don't know how to pronounce this, Hanna, I don't know. We all know I'm an idiot, so it's fine. So I'm gonna go check that out. next. So yeah, just waiting for the bus. And we're gonna go do some more exploring. Alright, so we're officially at the stadium. You can see it over there, so across the street, waiting for the signal. Currently at the top of the stadium. This was the very first stadium of the modern Olympics, but it was built like thousands of years ago, 2,000 years ago, but they used it for the very first modern Olympic Games after it was revived. So that's cool, as I'm actually a pretty big fan of the Olympics, so I'm out of breath because I hiked up all those steps. So right now I am sitting on the thrones where the royals used to sit when they attended the games hundreds of years ago. So technically I'm touching butts with royals right now. Get on my level. I was able to snag a window seat because our plane is like empty. I land at like 11 and probably won't be home until like 3. So catch him. I just poked myself in the eye. I'll catch him with you guys later. Of course, I didn't end the vlog when I said I was going to, or I didn't check back in. So I got back, obviously safe and sound, and that wasn't my last trip because I went to Madrid and Munich, but I didn't vlog those because I was meeting people there and it was just really short trips. But this is my last Europe vlog / study abroad vlog, which is so sad, and I've been home for a while now, as you can tell. But I had an amazing time, and I'm definitely going to be doing videos about my trip and answering questions and stuff, so keep an eye out for that. But thanks for coming on this journey with me. It's definitely been a heck of a ride, and I am so grateful for every single second that has happened while I was on that trip. So I'll catch you in the next one.